Okay. Let's go. Back here is ants. See? Pseudos. Anyways. How can I get around this? Okay, so see that little thing flying around everywhere? That's a bee. Yeah. Ah, these are all leaves. And that's all God in this room. I don't know why, but trees are growing in it. Dragonflies. Cool. Cool dragonflies. It's just a cobweb. Yep. Is this what coming out of the bed? Okay. Oh, look. Oh, watch out for that.
What is it?
Poison oak.
What is it?
That's why I've been stepping in front all day.
And it's what?
Poison oak.
You see all that? That's poison oak right there. That's poison oak right there. Everywhere right there. That's how I got all that poison oak.
And where do you have all the poison oak?
Where's this wood coming from? Is even mushrooms growing off it? Does mushrooms grow off of wood? I don't know anything. Okay. What's this? Stick. What's this? It's eating. Wait for it splashing away. How am I gonna jump across this? Can I even jump? That far?
Do a run and jump.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Yo. Come on, go that way.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so you see, this is our Bandit Creek a long time ago.
We can't hear you.
A long time ago, it used to walk. People say that it's been haunted by the spirit of the Makahuha. This is the forest. Used to be a regular forest. This is where the Makahuha goes. Lightning struck a man that was sitting here. That's how the spirit walked. Lightning struck this area. So that's how it got destroyed. Baby, and we judges. Okay, and guys, you can get that much again.
Whose merch is that?
Mine.
No.
Oh, the bug was up there. flaps his wings. Like, there you go. So up.
Who's stuff that?
That is Mr. Byland's mulch. It is Mr. Byland's mulch. Go get it if you need to. That's where that rotten stuff was. Something's moving up there. Now we must go into the place called the dungeon.
Stop.
What? Okay, so this is the place where people go all the time. People have died here. I don't know how, but they did that.
Stop. Okay.
What? Okay. So this is the tree where that stuff was one time ago. But what happened here? There's a dead mice over here. And I killed it. I didn't actually kill it, I just found it dead over there. And this place is called the Dungeons, and we always go down the alley. God, come on. We always go down here for a reason. To see if there's stuff down here, like cool animals, cool insects, frogs, whatever. And there is one story of this place. The place, this is the nest of the Dwonko. The Dwonko was sitting here. This is his nest where he always sits. There's beetles on it. And he always kills people. He always kills people in this place. He wasn't legend. You can see him roaming through the night. And chomping like a dog. He is a monster that kills you when you're sleeping. And they actually sometimes be raped. And the Dwonko sometimes fight. But people say that they have seen the Dwonko roaming around on nights. And people have seen the rape roaming. People say that they've seen the monster in the creek. And they say that they see the rape. And we are the ones somehow. Wait.
Wrap the video.
And we have fella introducing just chilling. And the rake has been walking through this night, roaming with his stick. Ow. And he actually just throws sticks at people for some reason. He scratches them. And guess what, guys? Please go get the ball and march. It's really comfy. And you know the rake pops out from any place? Yeah. Bye, guys.